If you've been using DuckDuckGo Browser and you notice suggestions popping up every time you start typing in the search bar, you might find it distracting or unnecessary. Some users prefer a completely clean search experience without autocomplete predictions or suggested queries appearing while they type. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off autocomplete suggestions in DuckDuckGo Browser. Let's go step by step. First, open DuckDuckGo Browser on your computer. Now look for the main menu on the top right area inside the browser. Click on it, then try to find Settings. Once you are inside Settings, stay in General and look for the section labeled Private Search. This is where DuckDuckGo controls search behavior and suggestion features. Inside this section, you will see options related to search suggestions, autocomplete, or search predictions. Simply turn this option off. Once disabled, DuckDuckGo will stop showing suggested searches while you type in the search bar. After making your changes, there is no need to save anything manually. The settings apply instantly. You can now close the settings page. And that's it. You've successfully turned off autocomplete suggestions in DuckDuckGo Browser. Now your search bar will stay clean, simple, and distraction-free while you type. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more privacy guides, browser tutorials, and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.